Some buildings creates history. For the very first time, the private lift concept has been used in a 500 square yard. Now, अब आप बोलेंगे कि 500 गज के अंदर तो ऑलरेडी बेसमेंट ग्राउंड की और यूजुअली टॉप फ्लोर टेरेस की प्राइवेट लिफ्ट होती है, बट दिस इज़ द ओनली बिल्डिंग इन साउथ दिल्ली दैट हैज़ अ प्राइवेट लिफ्ट concept for each and every apartment. I won't be revealing the address or the location of this property because it is already sold, but by this same very top end builder, we have almost more than 25 super luxury projects in all sizes in all the good locations of South Delhi. Now let's see this beautiful home from inside. A private glass door lift that opens inside your own home. Now this is your own internal landing area where a puja niche area has been placed very smartly. This door leads us to the common staircase. Now to add further layer of security, so they have also placed this beautiful fluted glass door that segregates your lift landing area from your foyer area. A really spacious one. That's the kind of foyer you get along with it. So really good looking Italian flooring over here. In the false ceiling, they have done all the wooden work with a lot of lighting. As soon as someone walks into this beautiful home, it looks really spacious. Minimalistic interiors. So on the walls of the foyer, they have done this POP work that's looking really contemporary. Now let me take you to the living room area. The whole house is on automation. So they have placed this automation panel through which you can control lighting, you can control the air cons. Very modern apartment. And this foyer leads us to the living room area. So they have used this beautiful fluted glass partition to segregate the foyer area from the living room area. You have a separate dining area along with it. They have also given a wraparound balcony. So you have one side this wraparound balcony. On the front, you have another set of balcony over here. New height, new coverage. The whole house has ductable VRV aircon, all VRV systems. So somewhere they have placed the cassette AC, somewhere they have given this ductable aircon. Very minimalistic but good looking interior. So really nice looking wooden wall over here. This area segregates the living room from the dining area. This exclusive area is your dining area, so you can really place a good size of your dining table over here. You also have an exclusive balcony on this side and a home automation panel in almost every room. Let me show you the wraparound as well as the main balcony you get along with it. So this is the front balcony. They have also installed this wire mesh, which is much needed for Delhi. A really spacious one. So you have a good height over here. In fact, there's some wooden element also in the ceiling. So आपको इस apartment को लेने के बाद कोई भी interior decorator से कुछ भी करवाने की जरूरत नहीं. It's already really well made. They have also given this metallic screen. This balcony is being shared with the living room as well as the front bedroom, the first bedroom over here. So that's why they have installed this much needed metallic screen that adds a layer of privacy. So you have so much space over here. You can really keep some good plants. In fact, on the walls also they have done this tiling. So it's really easy to maintain this balcony over here, this facade over here. So the first bedroom is adjacent to the living room area. A really good size, good looking, a super size, a spacious bedroom they have given over here. There is no closet in this bedroom because you have a walk-in closet right before the washroom. Really good height, false ceiling they have given. And all the aircon they have done by Daikin. So this is a Daikin one-way cassette, but it's a VRV system. So you have heating and cooling both in this. Right before the washroom, you have this walk-in closet, a 4-door glass closet over here. They have given over here. जितने भी fittings हैं, Kohler की super luxury fittings हैं. You have this color-changing light also, the mirror also, and सेम थीम के अंदर. अगर हमने जो क्लोजेट देखा वो ग्लास शटर्स के अंदर था, तो आपको जो इसके अंदर वैनिटी मिलती है वो भी सेम आपको एक सेम थीम के अंदर कंटिन्यू करते हुए. दिस बाथरूम हैज़ अ डार्कर थीम, सो दे हैव गिवन दिस डार्क कलर ब्राउनिश यूरोपियन स्टोन ओवर हियर, एंड दैट्स योर bathroom you get along with it. Now I really love the way they have given one of the best body jet system in this washroom. You also have a sitting ledge along with it, so really well planned one. Just opposite the living room area, you have a very beautifully decked up kitchen over here. The orientation is really spacious. So it's really a walkable one, a good size of kitchen over here. जो color selection use हुआ है, this grey stone, this grey color wooden work over here, it's looking really amazing. All the fittings, Hetix की fittings हैं, soft landing है. So you have lots of places, lots of space to store your kitchen essentials. All top of the line Bosch appliances. So you have microwave and oven over here, a chimney hob over here, fluted glass shutters they have also used. You also have a shaft connected to the kitchen. Sink you get over here, a double sink they have created. So one you can use for veggie washer, another one you can use for your dirty utensils. It's an air-conditioned kitchen, and this is the space they have given the utilize for placing the refrigerator along with it. So a really well done kitchen over here. So before moving forward, let me give you the orientation once again. That's the living room, the kitchen, the first bedroom which we just saw, and your dining is over here. Very strategically placed powder washroom over here. Now a good looking powder washroom. So you have the standalone sink over here, a golden color fitting के साथ आपको जो looking glass mirror है with a color changing light they have given over here. And this is the second bedroom. Every bedroom is good size, good planning, and a very spacious one. So they have given this feature wall over here using some POP work, some wooden elements, so which is giving a boost to the interior. Every room you get this automation panel, so आप इसको mood light के according आप इसको dim कर सकते हैं, bright कर सकते हैं. You can control your fan, your air cons, everything through this automation panel. And a really spacious apartment. With every bedroom you have this full wraparound balcony, a good size balcony that brings a lot of natural light and air inside your apartment. Let's see the bathroom quickly. Even with this bathroom, you have this 1, 2, 3, 4, a 4-door walk-in closet in a glass theme over here. This is how the closet looks from inside. आपको storage बिल्कुल नीचे से लेकर ऊपर तक मिलती है. You have 3 drawers, 1 lockable drawers. A beautiful bathroom over here. I love the way they have done this fluting of this European stone. Full size of looking glass mirror. जो डोर्स की जो फिनिश है, जो लुक है, उसके साथ मैच करते हुए इन्होंने वैनिटी को भी सेम लुक दिया है. एंड दैट्स द शावर क्यूबिकल. इन दिस बाथरूम ऑल्सो दे हैव गिवन दिस गुड बॉडी जेट सिस्टम. दिस इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट फिटिंग्स you can ask for in this size of an apartment. So this was the second bedroom. Now let me quickly take you to the 3 bedroom. We'll be covering all the 4 bedrooms you get along with this. Another spacious bedroom. In every bedroom they have done some feature wall. So they've used this very intrinsic, very subtle POP work. So you can place the bed over here, and TV की जो wall है वो ये रहेगी. You have a balcony along with this. आपको एक wraparound balcony भी मिलती है, but you also have a balcony at the rear part of it. So ample of natural light and ventilation. Now there is no closet in this bedroom because we will be seeing the walk-in closet given along with it. Wow, what an amazing size of the bathroom. So you have this 6-door closet over here, a full wall-to-wall closet they've given over here, and a really good-looking closet from outside also and inside also. Ample of the storage space you get along with it. Very beautiful wooden work as well as these dark blackish color stone they have used over here. Now this washroom is really spacious, and I'm loving the way they have used this lighter tone of the stone over here, which this washroom is looking absolutely bright due to this. LED inbuilt LED over here. Kohler की super luxury fittings हैं इसके अंदर. That's the vanity, and a really spacious shower cubicle with same Kohler beautiful body jet system they have given along with it. Now that's the shaft area. So really spacious one. So this was the 3rd bedroom. In the 4th bedroom they have used this amazing looking wooden flooring. This adds some variety. अगर आप हर bedroom के अंदर same marble flooring कर दोगे तो थोड़ा सा routine हो जाएगा, थोड़ा सा boring हो जाएगा. But in this they have done this beautiful looking wooden flooring over here. And I'm loving the way they have created this such a good looking feature wall over here with POP work, some metallic paint they have also used. And जब से साउदी में नई height आई है, rooms जो बड़े rooms भी होते हैं वो और बड़े feel होते हैं. So you have this home automation panel that has been given in each and every bedroom, drawing room, dining, everywhere. It's actually very smartly made. There is no closet in this bedroom because they have given this walk-in closet. In fact, an L-shaped, a super-sized walk-in closet which is really spacious, usable, functional, as well as really good looking. So not just from inside, but this closet area looks amazing from outside also. A really super-sized, spacious washroom. I'm loving the way they've used this really unique looking stone, a whitish stone with red beans over here. Just look at the size of the looking glass mirror they have given with built-in LED light, cooler ki fittings hai. And look at the size of the vanity area they have given. So you have 4 drawers, a lot of space to store your bathroom essentials. That's your WC area and a really well-planned and good size of the shower cubicle. आपको बिल्डर का जो वर्कमैनशिप है वो कैसे पता लगेगा कि अच्छा है कि नहीं अच्छा? You know, there are factors, there are points जो after covering so many real estate over the last 20 years, so we can see. So अगर आप ये देखेंगे जो stone की placement है, जो ये veins continue हो रही हैं different stones की placement में, this shows the workmanship कि how intrinsic work they have done over here. So a full body head system they've given, a really good size of the rain shower area they have also created over here. You also have a super size rear balcony spanning across the 2 bedrooms in the rear. A very functional, a very usable. Just look at the size of the balcony they have created over here. Really practical. You can place some artificial grass carpet or you can place some tiles and you can utilize this area. It's absolutely secured, private, amazing concept. I hope you enjoyed this property video tour by Team Saudi Floors. This particular home is already sold, but by the very same builder. We have more than 25 listings in all sizes in almost all the premium areas of South Delhi. So if you want to buy a home that can match the grandeur, the construction quality of this apartment, call South Delhi Floors. And thank you for subscribing South Delhi Floors. Thank you for showering your love. Keep sharing our videos to your family and friends, whosoever is interested in buying a property like this. See you in the next video.